Hi, welcome to Bolton Motor Match. My name's Abby, and in this video I am showing you this Volkswagen Golf TDI BlueMotion. When you do press the unlock button from the key, the wing mirrors will automatically fold out like so. Looking at the front of the vehicle, it will have daytime running lights. It does have front parking sensors. Now looking to the side of the vehicle, it does have 16-inch Dover alloy wheels. It has the body coloured wing mirrors with the integrated indicators. Now looking to the rear of the vehicle, as you can see it does have some badging. To the left it says Golf, which is the model. To the right it does say 2.0 TDI, which means this vehicle does have a 2-litre diesel engine. BlueMotion technology means it does have the more efficient engine. This vehicle does have rear parking sensors to help with those tight spaces. I'll just show you into the boot now. Very spacious boot, very practical. Just show you into the underfloor storage with the spare wheel. Looking into the rear now, plenty of room for 3 passengers. If you don't have the middle passenger, you can bring down this middle armrest with 2 cup holders. It has these storage compartments in each of the doors and these storage pockets on the 2 front seats. On the driver's door, it has the heated electric adjustment for the wing mirrors, unlocking and locking, 4 electric window controls and a storage compartment just at the bottom. Looking at the 2 front seats now, it is Zoom micro cloth seats, very comfortable. Inside the vehicle now, we have the leather multifunction steering wheel. To the left it does have cruise control and speed limiter to help with those long journeys. Volume up and down at the bottom. To the right, using the arrows up and down, it does show different driver statistics. The arrows across do show different driver displays. You can answer the telephone and using the arrows just at the bottom. It does skip through the radio stations like so. To the right it does have the control for the lights, which currently it is on automatic. Looking now through the middle of the vehicle, it does have a storage compartment, 2 cup holders. It is a 6-speed manual gearbox with the electric handbrake. I'll just pop the vehicle into reverse and the parking aid does appear on this screen, helping with those tight spaces. This button here does show different driving modes depending on your journey. You've got Eco, Normal, Sport or Individual. Further down, more storage available with a USB charging port. Looking here, we do have the climate control. It is easily adjustable by using the dials here. It does have the front heated windscreen and the heated rear window. Looking at this screen here, it is controlled by the buttons surrounding and it is touchscreen. Currently it's on the main menu. We'll just click on radio. As you can see, plenty of different radio stations to choose from. You can connect your phone via Bluetooth to listen to your own music. Connect your phone via Bluetooth to answer your phone calls. Different settings for the vehicle. You can adjust your sound settings. More vehicle statistics. And back to the main menu. If you could see yourself driving this lovely Volkswagen Golf, please feel free to give us a call if you would like any more information. Thank you for watching my video.